Today I would like to tell you how to do the split body. So firstly, we need to go into a top lines. We draw a rectangle there and trying to extrude it with some distance. Let's hit it, apply. So if you're going to split body here recently used, or you need to go into a trim split body, or you need to go into a menu insert in a trim tab that has split bodies. So we need to select the bodies we just created in last step. And next we need to choose the tool options. We have the several options here. So firstly is a face or pline, and second is new pline, third extrude, and fourth is revolve. We could introduce to you one by one. So first we need to choose a face or a pline. When we choose a face or apply, that means we could choose apply or a face. So let's try if I use this YZ pline, whether we could split this body, right? Let's hit it apply. So we could split this body into two separately objects. And let's go back. And then we also choose split body, and this time I select this body, and in tool I select this pline and I added another pline, right, and hit it apply. We could split this body into four objects, and let's go back, or we need to just created another rectangles, trying to extrude this, right? And at this moment, I also going to this sketch and I created this circular shape is trying to extrude this circular shape and become columns. Let's hit it apply. So I'm going to split body. I choose this body I want to trim and keeping the face or apply and select this face and hit it apply. And I click this column and click Ctrl+B. You could just temporarily hide this column. So you could see this object becomes two body. But when you mouse is hover this body, it's both selected this two body. How I can confirm this two is a split body? So let's just hit Ctrl+B and you could select this or this. That means this two part is two split body. And if I select one of them and hit it OK, you could say I can hide this part individually, right? And next, if I go into split body and select this body, and in two options, if I choose a new pline, and I can give a specified pline. So if I hit it this pline, right, I can copy one pline of this pline. I could also give a distance in here, taps the distance of 5 or 10, or I can directly drag these arrows to where I want to stop. So let's hit it apply. So you could say the new pline I created just split this body into two different individual pieces, right? Okay, so I'm also going to a sketch and I'm continually drawing another rectangles and trying to extrude and hit it apply. At this moment, I hit the sketch and I created the curves here. Firstly, I need to hit the finish sketch, and then I could directly go into split body and select this body. I want to do the split, and in two options I need to select extrude, and then I can directly select this curves here. And remember, don't forget the specific vector, we need to keep it easy, so it could be cut in these directions. So if we hit it apply, it could be automatically divided this body into two objects, right? So if we're going to sketch on this surface, I just drag this kind of rectangles, and then I'm going to I hit the finish sketch, and I'm going to split body. Firstly, we need to select this curve, and remember we need to keep this single curve, right? And then I can directly select this curve one by one. Remember, didn't select this curve, so it could be just three lines can do a revolve based on this line become an axis, right? So the axis specified vector, let's just choose this or this directions, and specify point, let's just select this point, and we could see apply. So you could say we do a revolved with this sketch, and the axis is this line, and it's just cut this shape into two different separately shape. So if I trying to hit it Control B to hide this part, you could say it's just displayed by a revolve, right? Okay guys, today's tutorial about split body we just finished here. And if you like my video, just go subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, just leave a comments to my video. So see you next class. Bye.